In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo and favicon to your Google sites. Whether you're setting up a brand new site or simply want to update the visual identity of your current one, this process is straightforward and will only take a few moments. First, make sure you've signed into your Google Sites account and that your website is open in the editor view. Once you're ready, start by heading over to the top area of your Google Sites window. Here you'll find a settings icon. It looks like a little gear, a universal symbol for settings, so it's hard to miss. This icon houses various customization options for your site, allowing you to adjust everything from theme settings to brand imagery. Once you've clicked on the settings icon, a panel will open on the right side of your screen. It's filled with different tabs and options, but for today's task, focus your attention on the section labeled Brand Images. The Brand Images section is the destination for enhancing your site's branding. It's where you'll add both your logo and your favicon. Let's start with the logo. Clicking on the logo option will prompt you with an upload window, which allows you to select an image file from your device. This logo will serve as a staple graphic for your site, adding a professional touch and should ideally be consistent with the rest of your branding. Make sure the file you're uploading is of good quality and ideally in a format supported by Google Sites such as PNG or JPEG. With the logo in place, the next step is configuring a favicon. Now, if you're not familiar with favicons, they are those small icons that appear in the tab of a browser when you visit a website. They're a great way to boost brand recognition, even in a minimized browser window. To upload your favicon, still in the brand images section, click on the favicon option. This too will open a similar upload window. Just as with your logo, you'll want to ensure your favicon design is clear and representative of your brand, despite its small size. Once you have both your logo and favicon uploaded, you'll want to preview the changes. Google Sites conveniently updates these branding elements in real time, so you can head over to the preview mode to see how everything looks together in your site. Click the preview icon, which is often shaped like an eye, to make sure everything fits perfectly and visually it's all appealing. And there you have it, you've successfully added a logo and favicon to your Google Sites. Remember, updating these elements not only enhances the visual appeal of your site, but also plays a role in strengthening your overall brand identity. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.